Hello guys, hello YouTube family. It's Masunga John here, and recently I'm growing some plants, and I have some plants in my balcony, and today I'm going to show you how to harvest chilies. So I'm growing bird's eye chilies. If you know the bird's eye chilies are very small ones. These ones here. So I'm gonna harvest chilies this evening. Right, so you can see the ones are ripe. That are ripe. They're very red. They're red. Okay. Right. Very small ones. Actually, they are like Thai chilies, or they are bird's eye chilies. They're very small. Right. So I grew. I mean, it took a few months, and now they are ripe. They're ripe. But they're very hot, really. These red ones, they're very hot. So I try not, I mean, I can just use one for like 1 kilo of meat. For like 1 kilo of meat, and I can use only one. Okay, I have enough. They're ripe now. Look at them. Yeah, I can't imagine some people just eat the whole chili. They'll just eat it, but I can't. I'm not good at that because it's very, very hot. By the way, you can grow chilies. You know, you can grow chilies at home. You can just go to a supermarket, a home center where they sell flowers. You can buy, and you can have chilies at home. All right? Yes. They're very small, very small. Very, very small. Okay. Right, I think it's enough for today. Yep, and I'm gonna wait again till they're red. I like the red ones. Right, here are my chilies. All right, just harvested. See? Yes. All right. As usual, it's Masunga John. Please subscribe after watching, like, and share. Bye for today.